Hello guys, today we are going to explore an important feature with the Alian Hub, our advanced permission settings. These settings are like the guardian angel of your data, ensuring that the right people have the right access. So let's dive right in. First of all, go to the setting from top right corner. Then click on the securities and permission. Here you can see all the advanced permissions. And you can also allow a different permission for action on Alian Hub for the members. When you switch to the none, user will be not allowed for any permission. Read only gives a view of action to the users, while read and write will allow users to view and perform the actions. Let's explore in this detail. Here you can see three types of permissions. Permission for the task, then company settings, and permission for the projects. For the permission settings of the task, you need to first select out of none. So whether you can select read or read and write. For the task list, it will allow member to view or edit the task list. So you can either select read or read and write. Same for the task create. Select to allow member to view or create the task. Subtask create. Select to allow members to view or create the subtask. And so on. You can select all these as per your needs. Similarly, for the company settings, you can manage the permissions for company. Select out of none. Therefore, you can select either read or read and write. For editing a company, manage a member to edit the company. That means you can select here read and write. For the task priority, manage members to add the task priority. And so on. You can select rest of all based on your needs from here. Now you can select the sheet permission to read and write for everyone or own. For example, to read and write permission for project timesheet, click on the select, then choose the option from own or everyone. Let's go for own. Like this. This way, user will able to see their own projects in the project sheets. Once all the details are filled, click on the Save button to save your setting. Now you can see the security permissions are updated successfully. In short, advanced permission settings are your best friends. It's come to controlling who can do what within your digital kingdom. Explore them today and may your digital environment grow under your attentive eye. Thank you very much and stay tuned for the next videos.